Welcome to the beautiful Pala U Waterfalls outside of Hua Hin, Thailand. Here hiking around in Pala U Falls. There are about 7 levels of different waterfalls here at the park. They are extremely hard to get to and require using ropes and your hands and up and down rocks, so be sure you are fit enough to make this journey. So freaking awesome to be in this much nature. Just infuses the soul, you know? Visiting the falls in December was perfect timing as it allowed us to really take advantage of witnessing the beautiful butterflies. Species of riverfish was everywhere and unavoidable if you were going to go in the water. They were slimy, they were nosy, and they were squirming all over the place and weirding me out. The fishes would jump upstream, float downstream. They really were everywhere. So who's up for a dip? Thanks for watching. Subscribe below and adventure on.